So class, today we have an activity to practice auxiliary verbs. Moreover, we are supposed to practice the use of present indefinite tense. Yesterday we had discussed that what we will be doing tomorrow. आज हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं? कल हमने डिस्कस किया that I will be doing this. Today we will do in real. आज आपको रियल में करना है क्या? To make something without fire. बिना आग के कुछ बनाना है यहाँ पे. मकसद क्या है? Do, does, cut, could, can, would, might, would, he does, she does, I do, you do, they do. Practice all the auxiliary verbs only with present indefinite tense. Like please cut this, please wash this, kindly pass this, cut this, arrange this. Use those words or vocabulary in today's class. You are not supposed to speak Hindi. आपको हिंदी में नहीं बोलना है. ये we have one table here plus one table there. आप सबको टीम वाइज यहाँ बैठना है और आपस में इंग्लिश बोलनी है. मकसद पकाना नहीं है, खाना नहीं है, नॉट टेस्ट. मकसद खाने का नहीं है, पकाने का नहीं है. The purpose is to speak English. You are not supposed to speak Hindi. The purpose is learning English. जो बच्चा हिंदी बोलेगा वो बाहर हो जाएगा गेम से, वो एक्टिविटी से बाहर जाता है उसको. जो बच्चा हिंदी बोलेगा, you are supposed to speak only English. Okay? You only have 10 minutes. After this activity, on Monday, we will discuss the past tense. What you did, how you did, what you did, क्या किया था, कैसे किया था, क्या बनाया था. तो हम लोग will, is, am, are plus was, were सब हम लोग कर लेंगे practice. The purpose of the activity is to practice the auxiliary verbs and the use of present indefinite tense, past tense and future tense. Am I clear? You are not supposed to speak Hindi at all. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear? Yes, okay. So quickly start. You only have 3 minutes time. At 7:20, activities must be finished. 7:20 तक आपकी पूरी activities पूरी हो जाए और किसी को भी हिंदी नहीं बोलनी है. Am I clear?
Yes,
Only speak English. Am I clear?
yes, sir.
And after this, you all serve the things at 7:25. I come to check one by one, and then you will be enjoy later. And we'll do homework. क्या करना है हमें on Monday? Okay? So time, don't rush and don't run. Do ahista. Okay? 1, 2, 3, start. Go in your teams. And start an activity. Only speak English, no Hindi. Only English, guys. You are supposed to speak English. You are supposed to speak only English, okay? Only English. Only English. Speak only English.
Please give me the knife.
Please cut onion.
Onion.
Please give me the knife.
What are you doing now? Where are you going?
Sir, we are watching.
We are going to wash.